Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your avatar on your PlayStation account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in playstation.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official PlayStation website. Just choose your country and you will end up within the homepage. Now if you wish to change your avatar, log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner and using your credentials. After logging in, click on the account icon and then click on account settings. Now from the account settings page, click on profile underneath PlayStation Network and you will see your avatar section. Click on the edit button at the right side and now you will find various different avatars that are available for your PlayStation account. Just choose your character that you wish to set as and then tap on the yes button to confirm your avatar. And now your avatar has successfully been changed on your PlayStation account. You can come back to this menu as many times as you want in order to change your avatar once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your avatar on your PlayStation account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.